Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today we're going to make steamed vegetable dumplings. They're so fun to make and so delicious. Let's get started. I have a pack of dry tofu, 5-spice dry tofu. I also have a few packs in my fridge. You can put it in salad and you can stir fry. I'm going to just use half of it. So we're going to dice it. And I have 2 bella mushrooms. You can use button mushrooms, you can use shiitake mushrooms. Okay, that's some mushrooms. And I have a few cabbage leaves. You can use other vegetables like bok choy, you can use napa cabbage. Just chopped up into same size. Okay, that's a cabbage. I soaked just 1 bundle of glass noodles, mung bean noodles. They're so fun to be put in the filling. So I also chop it up. Okay, that's the glass noodles. Last, I have 3 stalks of green onions. I'm just using the white part. What do I always say? White part for flavoring, right? I save the green parts for our dipping sauce. Okay, that's all our vegetables. Next, I'm going to season our filling. To make the filling, we're gonna add salt, and soy sauce, light soy sauce. Vegetable oil, I'm using avocado oil. And sesame oil. If you don't have it, just put extra vegetable oil. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just mix together. Something like that, right? Smells good already. Let me just taste it. 1 piece. Wow. Perfect, believe it or not. No adjustment. I've been making this all the time. Okay, we are ready to wrap the dumplings. I'm going to steam with my bamboo steamer. I need to just brush some oil. Or you can use cheesecloth, even vegetable leaves to put at the bottom. So steamer is ready to go. And I always have dumpling wrappers in the freezer, a few packs. Let's wrap it. Let's take some filling, put it in the middle. And tap water around edge, then seal in the middle and push in like this. Seal it, push in like this. Let's try again. Tap water around the edge, seal in the middle like this, then push in. Push in. Yeah, they don't have to be perfect, right? Imperfection is perfection. To me, to Ling. This is the last one for the steamer. Steamer can only take 9. Tap water, seal in the middle, push in like this. Other side. Don't they look beautiful? We are ready to steam them. I already pre-boiled a pot water. Now we place our steamer. And cover it. We'll let this steam about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make dipping sauce. Actually, I'm going to make 2 sauces. And one with ginger. So this is the best way to peel ginger. Don't use knife. It's not safe. Peel with a spoon. And just slice thinly. Like that. And then julienne. And I also need some green onions. Okay, so for sauce 1, we just need the ginger, and dark vinegar, so this is sauce I had at a Shanghai restaurant. Simple like that, just ginger with vinegar. And the second one, of course, have a little bit of Sichuan flavor, right? So I'm going to use some chili oil. This is homemade chili oil. And a little bit of soy sauce. Vinegar. and green onions. That's it, our 2 sauces. After about 15 minutes, our dumplings are ready. Ta-da! Beautiful, smells so good. Time to eat. Let me try first the vinegar sauce with ginger. Cheers. Delicious. Love all the vegetables. Those glass noodles, they're really fun. Can't wait to try the next one. This one I'm going to try the spicy sauce. Even kicks up, right? With the hot oil. Awesome. I like the spicy sauce. I like both. They're different. But I prefer a little bit spicy. This is great. Appetizers. Great for lunch. I've been making for lunch. So if I make extra ones, you can put in the zip bag, put in the freezer. And either steam them or pan fry them, or you can boil them. But if you prefer meat, I also have another recipe, the chicken shrimp pan fried dumplings. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.